Oh, why is my stream keep dropping?
It'd be doing that.
OBS is even showing it's fine.
Great. It's like, I don't want it.
Dude, why did I change it that much?
Maybe up here? That's on top of my head. Yes. Here's kind of over. I like it here. I don't like it here. I mean, to be fair, there's a ton of crap over here already. Guess it wouldn't be that. I needed skill.
Dude, first turn, crushing me again. I don't even know what just happened there. My car just stopped driving fast.
I'll change myself. There we go. Shoot. That all up.
No, I hate that there's grass on the inside bend there.
Yeah, that'll work.
It's too early. Oh my goodness, I had to counter steer. That was so good. I was zooming down the one.
Dude, he got over there? Oh, wait, never mind. Alright. Gotta get over here. The goal is gonna be to make it right here. I feel like I got better at another skill set of the game today.
Yeah. Like, it's definitely training something that it feels like Shallow Dip hasn't been training.
That's not gonna help me get over. I don't think there's anywhere else to get out of this.
Post on sub 39. This dude's crazy. I guess cheese lover's the same, but we already knew cheese lover was a goat. Okay, and now, mind you, the times, which I also don't know if I can change. It's over the times. I'm gonna go for a faster time just because I might as well play out the 6 minutes. I honestly do not have any desire to. Gonna see if I can even get a little better. And heck, maybe this will make us better at shallow, even though we're currently on a wet wheels, ice wheels, plastic section.
42.2.
Nice.
Another PB. 5 minutes to actually race against a true PB instead of fake splits. Dang, I've still gotta cut a whole nother sinking off. I don't think I'm gonna be capable of that.
I gotta see this GPS.
Not without implementing the derp slides, I don't think.
Oh, have you not been doing that?
No.
See, Sully doesn't even use the dirt slide.
Why? Why did I do that? I'm so stupid.
Yeah, I take that line. I roughly take that line. Yeah. Okay, yep. See, that's what I don't do. They're not using dirt. Okay, yep. I do that, except I have to brake there usually. I just brake a little bit. Yeah, a little bit cleaner than mine for sure. Okay, I got it.
Alright, I practically just beat my old PB again. So that's good, like 2 runs back to back.
I gotta figure out how to drift there without the dirt. You know I'm 7th now. These kids are too good. We'll be ready for a cup of the day in no time. Yeah, I'm using this dirt still when I don't need to.
Didn't have the angle.
That guy's at PA Club.
There's no way! I was turning as hard as I could. That was
Dang.
my sub 42. Dude. Man. Dang. Still ended it with a 42, but
Not quite podium, but I was like top 10 for sure, I think. Yeah, 10.
Nice.
Highlight 891 in PA.
That's gotta be the last one.
Yeah, that's gotta be the last.
Felt good.
Yeah, it's fun. I want to do more of these. This is like a dream swing type thing almost, except it takes an hour more
Right.
for me to want to stop playing.
Dream Swing, you play for like 10 minutes and you're like, all right, I've got the score I want.
Yeah, right. I think as we get better at the game, though, it'll be not as hard to.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Thanks for letting me play Trackmania on your stream.
Yeah, no problem. 31st in Illinois. I'll take it. Yo.
21st in PA. Oh, yo, you gotta. Dude, that's crazy.
That's what I gotta compete against. That's wild.
That's pretty funny.
Dude. Oh man, the fact that she's lower is also Illinois.
Are you in a club?
No?
It looked like you had a tag. Or maybe I'm just. You gotta make a club, bro. A club? Private. Accept requests. Private. Branding. Upload image. Okay. No. Give me the file browser.
Other window? Yeah,
You gotta grab one. Put it. How do I get it? It just brought it up here. Maybe I had to put it in a folder.
top 33 in the world, top 7 in North America, top 2 in the US, top 1 in Illinois. That's crazy.
For now, we're creating without images. Add image. Club activities. Use club tag. Administration. I don't know what I'm doing. Hidden club. Sure. How do I... Take me to a website? Page does not exist. Interesting. Dude, they got track of the day figured out for. Oh no, they don't. Okay. Good news, you understand deep dip now.
Yo.
Yo.
Nice.
Private accept requests, I guess, maybe? Alright, you gotta request to join my club, man.
I have to request to join it?
I guess.
How do I do that?
I'm top 4K in PA. That's freaking right. I
Top
get
4K
points.
in Illinois, 97K in US, 200K.
I don't really know how this stuff works, but yeah. Royale, ranked. What is ranked?
Yeah, I'm a bronze one.
At least 5 bronze medals. Current official campaign. No. Never playing the official campaign. I probably will eventually.
Yeah, how do I,
Find me. I'll find it out.
team ball?
Oh yeah, that's me.
There we go.
Request. Alright, see how long it takes me to figure out how to. Oh, okay. Line. Yeah. Set content creator. You're gonna be my content creator for this club. 4K in Illinois as well. $33.95 points. I think I'm. I got 68 points. Dang, the competition in Illinois just ain't it.
You're talking to someone who's competing against the second in,
I need to use
the
hex
US.
code in our. Yeah, I need. Yeah, it's true. I need to use hex code in our thing on the tag. I think that's how you get the colors. I'm assuming.
How'd you get your name tag thing too?
Use club tag.
Oh. There we go.
Very cool.
I enjoyed that.
That was
We'll
really
definitely
fun.
we'll definitely do that more, but I won't let us get distracted by it again because
Yeah,
we go
sure.
way too or I'll settle for something less than gold next time.
Next time we'll get gold in like 2 attempts and be able to call it a day there.
Okay.
That was fun.
And now
If only Cheese Lover were here when we realized who they were.
Yeah. And when I got my gold finally.
That too.
After all that time, Cheese Lover left. There
Who
was
is here? Cheese Lover. Here, let me play track of the day. Cheese Lover 2298.
he was a mushroom. Cheering us on.
Number 33 in the world, number 7 in North America, number 2 in the US, number 1 in Illinois.
Yeah, and they stayed on our stream for like an hour.
Yeah,
And then like 10 minutes beforehand was their last message. 10 minutes before I got the gold time, they left. Oh, you probably can't see it. You're or Julios. But this was I got the gold time, so.
Yeah, I gotta see this. Dirt slide helps so much. Whoa, wait, hold up. Did you not even have to slow down with that ramp? Oh, you did slightly.
I wasn't like drifting or anything. Dude, my face was surprisingly not too bad on this one, but you can still see it. My mouth moving like crazy. I had some drifts where I was going crazy. I love watching this. You can watch every time I drift, I like put my mouth to the side. It's so funny. Yeah, we played Track of the Day for like, well, it ended up being 2 hours, but I was playing for like an hour and a half, a little bit over that when I got done. Next weekend we'll be probably playing this game again. Not gonna lie. Oh no, we won't. I lied. Next weekend we're not freaking gonna be here, so. Guys, look at my wallpaper. The high-tech bathroom.
Yeah, next week, no streams. Not like during the week. I don't know. I've got to be building. I've got to be building. How many days left? 9, and I'm still at like 16. I'm at 19 seconds build.
For me, I would say I have until Thursday. Even though the due date's like what, Sunday or Monday of like next week, I have until like Thursday. Because Friday, I don't know how much time with me packing and things like that I'm gonna be taking and trying to go to bed early.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we've got early flights on Saturday. Team Baw Jaws.
That's interesting.
Who's Team Baw Jaws?
Well, they only got one member.
Who is this? Who's this? Nap ZNT?
Gotta invite that dude.
Scottish. I don't know about that guy. Where to? We are meeting up in Kansas.
We just said, you know what, we're just gonna mix it up a little bit. Him and I, not anywhere close to Kansas. We just said we move over there real quick. Fly over there, see what it's like to meet up there.
Mm-hmm.
We'll be going on a trip.
It is just the Explore New Clubs is just showing me other clubs with a "ba" in the name.
Dude, that's freaking funny. You gotta pin the club at the top up there.
True.
I think that's what that does now. If you go into bro into Track Creator. Yeah, there we go. Now we need Whalelord Club skins.
That's true.
Yeah,
That's fun.
it's true. Fun game.
Next week. Tomorrow, I think we're continuing Lords of the Fallen. It's been pretty fun. That'll be with Nerdy Dad and Positron. And then most likely nothing during the week. Even though we're slightly addicted to this game.
Yeah.
But
I'm
gotta
in a detrimental
focus.
state right now. Yeah, gotta focus on other things. But July will be Trackmania month. I will say once we beat Shallow Dip, our Saturday stream specifically will probably move on to other things then, but we'll still probably be playing Trackmania. From Shallow Dip to Deep Dip, yeah. Yeah. We'll still probably be playing Trackmania, but I think after this, we might go back to focusing on Super Mario 64 co-op. I'm not sure yet.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see.
And around that time, I've also got to do my speedrun redemption stuff.
Oh, yeah, true. Oh, yeah, we do need to do a weekend for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Deep Dip 2 with checkpoints is out next week. It's either that or if Schmanuel beats it before the 18th.
He beat it.
Oh, did he?
I was just checking the stats page. He's beaten it.
Okay, so then it should be out. I don't know. I'm gonna be honest. I'm still not confident we could do Deep Dip 2 with checkpoints. After playing individual floors a little bit, but I would be willing to
Give it a try.
after Shallow Dip.
Okay.
Like just see how far we can get in a period of time.
I feel like
think-
it'd almost be a good thing of like, I guess, can we do a thing where like, oh, one person got this checkpoint, so we can both move to it, sort of deal.
Yeah, that could be if we would have to probably use the editor for that, but yeah,
Right.
could be a way. I don't know how I would assume it's just a checkpoint every floor, but I don't know if it's gonna be 4 checkpoints.
Right. It could be like each water pool. That'd be very generous.
Right. Yeah, it would be almost too easy, but at the same time, yeah. Because like, dude, floors like I know at the very least it's like floor 16. It's like I'm just not. There's no way. Like it just would take us, or it's not that there's no way. It would take us way too.
Right. Or we're just naturally good at that.
Well, I wasn't. I'll tell you that. So, to be fair, it's a lot more gimmicky. So it's like, but that first jump, I couldn't even get past the first jump, so it didn't matter. Deep Tip 2 is not a hard challenge map. It's just hard because they weren't allowed to do anything but climb it from the
I mean,
spawn.
it's still...
Yeah,
like,
it's decently
as
hard,
a-
but Brent has said, like, as a Trackmania player, like, in terms of they're called trial maps.
Uh-huh.
He's like, as a trial map, this is, like, not even
Right.
difficult, remotely difficult at all, except for 11 and 16.
It
it's just-
being an hour long though also adds to its difficulty of just having to play at that level for that long.
Lars was like, "No, it's hard." Okay, I didn't hear that. That's funny.
That is pretty funny.
I see you've been abducted into the deep dip or the Trackmania culture as well.
It makes me want to go back and watch the video about Deep Dip 1 to like
Yes,
actually see.
I was gonna say.
Just been watching nonstop since last weekend. Yeah. It's good. It's really fun.
Dude, I'm telling you, Talia, that was me, dude. Like, I had known about Trackmania for years because of various videos and, like, Simply, who plays Super Mario 64. I've watched him play it for a little bit, and I thought it was cool, but Meta told me about... Because I'm just interested in, like, Faudian type things, and he was like, this is, like, a Trackmania version. I'm like, well, that'll be the reason that gets me into Trackmania. And I, like... Meta was, like, keeping up with it a little bit, and dude, I freaking opened a stream of it, and I was like, holy crap, this is so sick. Yeah, exactly, Tulios. This is basically the same thing for me. Like, and now I'm just so addicted to watching it.
Even me, I had seen, like... Because I think I had sent you a couple of, like, the world record... Some of, like, the videos I had seen of, like, progression of ultra shortcuts and whatnot.
Yeah, I don't think I ever watched
cool.
those. I watched the Midori video, the full speed map, like the one-shotting Midori or whatever full speed map thing.
Okay.
And I thought that was cool, but it didn't get me into Trackmania. And I'm still not really that into full speed maps.
Well, it's such a weird thing where it's like, I don't think I was into Trackmania until I saw the Deep Dip video and I was like, wait, this is different. Like,
yeah.
This is the game I want to be playing, not, like, doing a bug slide against a wall and, like, getting flung across the map.
Right, doing some crazy cut. Yeah. Yeah, no, I agree. Everyone loves some GS. Why are bug slides called GS? I picked up on that that's what they're called, but I didn't know why. Because I'd be watching Brent and he would talk about it, and I know what he means by it. A GS is grass slide? Okay, I thought maybe, but...
Yeah, got it.
Is it just a synonym for bug slide, or am I...
I thought bug slide was... Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah, okay,
I did not.
I've been really, and the thing is, then that got me into, like I said, like other stuff like this. Like it actually made me want to try Cup of the Day because I kind of got interested in just that kind of stuff, and like I just had a lot of fun doing that because like I really want to do those Knocky Knockouts are so cool. It's like it's like there's so many different ways to play this game as a racing game. It's like how Bren has 100 people. Bren was doing a GST map yesterday. Yeah, I was watching it. Yeah. It's like takes 100 people and then 4 get eliminated, and then you do the same race again. 4 get eliminated, and it goes down to 1 person. As like that's so cool. Like I don't know. And then watching like Lars play Bonk Cup. It's a cup where you get your 1 warm-up round, and then everybody gets points based on finishing, what time they finish, and then once you hit 1,000 points, you become a finalist. And that means once you're a finalist, if you win as a finalist, like you have to get first place in the cup, then you are officially done. And it was like crazy because like Lars was like 300 points ahead of everybody else and became a finalist like 4 races beforehand, but he didn't actually win until like there was like 6 people as finalists, and he just barely beat out somebody else who was about to win too.
Dang.
Like it was like,
that's kind of cool.
While I'm not necessarily a huge fan of finalists in fundamentally as compared to other things I've seen, it's just like the fact that cups can be played in so many different ways is really cool.
Right.
And in all of those cups is just a bunch of random maps that could be anything, like a trial map or just a normal racing map. Like it's not limited to one of those two. You could have a trial map and then you could have a racing map right after it. Sick game. RPG maps. I've heard of that, but I'm not familiar as much. Yeah. I've heard of the term, but I'm not super familiar. Hey, thanks for the good luck, Baronade.
We're all Trackmania pilled now.
Baronade, your good luck was I took it. I went to the future and I took it into the past because I got this. So, yeah. Got my first track of the day gold. Many more to come. Tulios, you might have to hop on and join the club. We're creating a Trackmania gang. You like all gaming skills? No. You remember, you get better at a game by watching someone play it.
Yep. Yeah, that's how it works. Oh man, dude, I'd be so good. I would possibly be like the world record holder of East 1.
Dude, honestly, yeah. I'm trying to think.
Top 10 Hades, yep. A lot of Hades watching.
Yeah, don't even get me started on Geometry Dash. Dude, honestly, that is like, this is literally where the joke came from, but Super Mario 64. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, Baronade. Dude, I watch so much Super Mario. The thing is, like, my Twitch life is maybe something interesting happening, or I default Super Mario 64. I always have an SM64 stream up if, like, there's not specifically something else happening. Like, it is my default. I just follow somebody, and I will just watch them play Mario. And that is starting to slowly get replaced with Trackmania as of like the last week and a half, which is kind of crazy. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen with it, but right now it's kind of slowly getting because the thing is, when I'm watching Twitch a lot, it's like in the mornings and stuff during like downtime at work and stuff like that, and that's where Trackmania having a lot more national of a community helps out a lot because then like I can watch like Bren or Lars, or yeah, Baronade, I guess, because Baronade's in Australia as well. So, but that's the thing, Bren and Baronade are streaming at the same time, so it's I'd be hopping between them. Whereas it used to just be I would just pull up Baronade in the morning. Yeah, you're losing me to Trackmania. What were you gonna say? You wish you could pull up streams?
Yeah, like I wish I got that time in the morning, which I just don't have very often.
Dang. Yeah, I have seen you playing some Zero Star. The category I do not want to play. I respect you for doing it.
Okay, but what if co-op Zero Star?
No, dude, that I've seen people do it.
You do SBLJ, and I will stand by the door to